Hello guys, my name is Anish Hadke and I'm representing my brand Ashdan. We are manufacturers of apparels, basically into corporate wear and uniforms and all sorts of solutions for corporate business industries. We have started doing this business on e-commerce since the last year itself. In the last couple of months that we have been using this Uniwear, we can see as the dashboard is pretty simple. It is pretty much organized and anyone from the having a little bit computer knowledge can definitely operate these steps very easily. And I would like to add on the point about the returns. Unicommerce has definitely given us the way of understanding how many returns are yet to be anticipated, and definitely we can now with import processing, we can create direct imports for all returns at once, and we can integrate that in the tally as well. That becomes an important part for invoicing as well. We do not have to take care about invoicing, and all the invoice numbers that are generated by Unicommerce automatically are automated, and like we put them in the tally, we can import them, and we can get the historics, and we can give much more importance towards strategic development of our business. Regarding the inventory, it is actually much more easier now for us to update our inventory in any particular channel, because what initially used to happen is that we used to do individually for Flipkart and Snapdeal and Amazon. We used to put in the details of each and every product and SKU and the number of units that are to be added. It used to be a lot of time-consuming thing, and I would invest a person only for these managing all the channels. It is definitely easy through Unicommerce that we can access all the channels at once, and there's only one sheet that we have to fill in with the number of units that are supposed to be seen on the and visible on the channels, and it takes care. It is just a 2 minutes thing now. This has helped us grow our business potential in the market, because like all the time consuming operations have now been eased out. So Unicommerce takes care of all these things, and I do not really have to invest much time in this, and I can invest much time on the strategic development, doing more ad campaigns and promotional activities on these channels. Like initially what we used to have was a sale volume of about 20 to 30 orders on an average daily basis, but now after starting using this Uniwear, it is definitely increased to over 100. That is the average now that we are seeing. It is pretty much cheap as well. That is the most important thing. I feel 2 rupees an invoice doesn't really cost us much. It is very cost effective, and it is very time efficient, and the service I would like to add this point upon. Like creating a case on other channels can be a little there can be delays in getting resolutions, but what I've seen as far now is this prompt response from Unicommerce team, and I feel definitely everyone should try Unicommerce. I have been giving references to other my friends as well to use Unicommerce, because it is really easy and its user friendly interface is actually helpful for growing business. Thank you.